Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off, remove, block and mute the accounts on your account on X Switcher. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety and click content you see. Now click search settings and click on it like this and it will be turned off. That's how to turn off, remove, block the account and mute the account. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.